It's been a while, I know, and that's because my family and I moved to Palma, Mallorca, from Stockholm about 6 months ago. And I've finally come up to breathe. Because moving countries with 3 kids is no joke. It takes a lot of energy. And it's been a great ride so far. Lots of learnings because transitions are challenging, even if you move to paradise. And I want to give you some of my learnings and share them with you. Is one, if you want to make a big move like this, you need to be bold. You need to be brave and take the risk and dive in. Because if you really knew how much work it is to do something like this, you would never do it. Because it's an amazing amount of work and it takes a lot of effort. But make the move, be bold. Secondly, something that has helped me a lot, and this is something that I teach and practice a lot as an improviser on stage doing theater, is to say yes and. And when we say yes and, we really accept whatever comes our way and we build on it. And when I yes and all the differences and all the things that are coming my way here, my life has a lot of flow. And if I yes but or resist or say no to things, it can cause a lot of suffering and resistance, and you don't have that flow. So yes-anding is massively important. And lastly, if you've taken Fail Gloriously, you also know this one, is to say yes, let's. And who you surround yourself with really matters. And I've found this crew of real yes, let's people. And that gives me so much energy and so much adventures, really making memories. Like, let's go paddle tonight. Yes, let's go cliff jumping. Yes, let's go to this amazing beach where you have to hike an hour to get to this cove. Yes, let's. And all these yes, let's people and yes, let's experiences have really enriched my life the last half year and made memories for me and my family that we'll never forget. So those are a few of my learnings, and I would love to hear from you. Have you ever wanted to make a big, bold move like this? Where would you go? Let me know.